Let me explain to you. There is something called as ambiguity tolerance. Ambiguity tolerance is like some people, you find them, they thrive in challenges, uncertainty, unfamiliar condition. They feel very, very good, and then they come out very bright and shining. It is because what they have got is higher ambiguity tolerance. Higher ambiguity tolerance means that you are open-minded, you have high self-esteem, your emotional resilience is higher than others, you're flexible. But then if you are low on that, you are suffering from anxiety, your decisions become difficult to take, your adaptability becomes poor, and then creativity is at South Pole. So in such condition, if you are young and then you really want to thrive in life, you have to challenge this ambiguity, and then you have to develop your ambiguity tolerance. And for that, I suppose it is very important that you should not approach things with a fixed mindset. You should embrace the unknown. I mean, whatever you have got, it is a thing which you can possibly do. Plan for the unplanned. It's oxymoronic to hear, but then it's actually, you can plan for the unplanned also, and reward yourself for whatever that resilience that you have shown in a particular task, and then try experimenting newer things to which you are not comfortable. The moment you have developed ambiguity tolerance, you are preparing yourself for writing answers which you have not prepared on. You are ready to face those interview questions which you are not prepared on. And then this is a practice that you can give to yourself, and higher ambiguity tolerance you have got, more achievement is waiting for you. Doable, very doable, promise.